Have you ever stared at the ceiling at 2 a.m., wondering how everything you believed in fell apart? The dreams, the plans, the promises, gone in a moment, and all that's left is silence, self-doubt, and that haunting question. Where did I go wrong? Failure. A word that feels like a punch to the gut. A word nobody wants to wear, but everybody meets at least once. It doesn't matter how strong you are, how smart you are, or how prepared you thought you were. Life has a way of hitting you with moments that knock the wind out of you. But here's the truth no one told us growing up. Failure isn't the end. It's not your identity. It's not a life sentence. It's a moment. A brutal, humbling, soul-shaking moment. But still, just a moment. What you do after that moment, that's what defines you. Let's start here. The moment it all fell apart. Maybe it was the business you poured your heart into, and it crumbled. Maybe it was the relationship you gave your everything to, and it ended in silence. Maybe it was a test, a career move, a dream, and despite all your effort, you didn't make it. You gave it your best, and it still wasn't enough. That pain you felt, that lump in your throat, that crushing weight in your chest, you're not crazy. You're not weak. You're human. Failure hurts because it mattered, and we need to stop pretending we're okay when we're not. Stop smiling through shattered dreams. You don't have to fake strength to be strong. Real strength starts when you allow yourself to break. Say it out loud. I failed. Now say this. I'm not finished, because you're not. Failure tricks you into thinking it's final, that this is the end of the road, that there's no coming back. But failure isn't a wall, it's a door, a brutal, heavy, rusted door that won't open with ease, but once it does, it leads to the version of you were meant to become. Let me tell you something you need to hear. You are not your failure. You are not the mistake you made. You are not the job you lost. You are not the relationship that fell apart. You are not the opportunity that slipped through your fingers. You are still breathing. You are still fighting. You are still standing. And if you're still standing after that kind of pain, there is something unbreakable inside you. You just forgot who you are. Resilience isn't built on success. It's forged in fire. It's easy to be confident when everything is going well. But who are you when it all goes wrong? Who are you when the applause fades? Who are you when the lights go out? Who are you when you're left alone with the wreckage? That's when resilience is born. You want to know how to overcome a failure? You feel it. You grieve it. You own it. Then you rise from it. Don't skip the pain. Don't numb it. Don't distract yourself. Sit in it. Let it teach you. Let it refine you. Let it burn away the ego and leave behind the unshakable truth. You're still here. And that means you still have work to do. It's time to rewrite the story. We've been taught that success is a straight line, but in real life, it's messy. It's confusing. It's filled with detours, heartbreaks, and breakdowns. But here's the plot twist. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Think of every story you've ever admired. The hero doesn't win without scars. The champion doesn't rise without falling. The legend isn't made on easy roads. They're born in the storm. So why do you think you're different? Stop hiding your failure like it's a secret. Wear it like armor. Own it. Because the most powerful people on this planet, every single one of them, failed. And then they got up. You've got two choices right now. You can stay in the role of the victim, blaming the world, doubting yourself, waiting for a rescue that's not coming. Or you can become the warrior. The one who says, yes, I fell, yes, it hurt, but I'm not done, I'm getting up, I'm coming back. And when I do, I won't be the same. I'll be stronger. This is your turning point, your pain, fuel, your regret, direction, your failure, foundation. Let this moment be the spark. Now, let's get practical. How do you come back from failure? Number 1, acknowledge it, no denial, no excuses, own it. It happened, and you survived it. Number 2, ask better questions. Stop asking, why me? And start asking, what can this teach me? Or, how can I grow from this? Number 3, forgive yourself. You're human. You did your best with what you knew at the time. Let go of the shame. You don't heal while carrying guilt. Number 4, rebuild the foundation. Start small. Pick one habit, one goal, one change. Progress is power. Every small step is a win. Number 5, surround yourself with real ones. Find people who don't just comfort you, but challenge you. call you higher, and refuse to let you stay broken. Number 6, commit to the process. This isn't overnight, it's not sexy, but brick by brick you will rise again. Here's the part no one tells you about failure. It's a gift. It shows you what matters. It exposes what's weak. It teaches what success can't. It strips away what's fake. And it introduces you to the version of yourself you didn't know existed. The one who doesn't quit. The one who fights harder. The one who finds a way. Failure births wisdom. Failure births grit. Failure births depth. And the day will come when you'll look back and say, that moment didn't break me, it built me. You are not behind. You are not too late. You are not forgotten. You are not ruined. You're in the middle of your story, and the middle is where it gets good. No one cares how many times you failed. What matters is what you did after. What matters is that you kept going. What matters is that you chose to believe again. What matters is that you didn't let one chapter define your whole book. So turn the page. Pick yourself up. Dust yourself off. Look yourself in the mirror and say, this is not how my story ends. Let me remind you of something powerful. You've been through storms that should have broken you. You've faced nights so dark you thought you'd never see light again. You've carried pain that no one saw, fought battles in silence, and yet you're still here. There's a fire in you. There's a fight in you. There's a future in you. And it's not over until you say it's over. So the next time failure knocks you down, don't ask, why me? Ask, is this where I rise? Because the comeback, it starts now.